Quick DIY gift ideas is all what we need. A lifesaver for the individual who want to save and have fun project for the individual prefers handmade gifts. Homemade floral edibles and lovely lamp shades are the examples present that has more longevity. These are easy to make sweet gifts for friends. Just cut the flower shape and fold it. Paste it from the sides. They can be made in many designs like wrap a bouquet, and in many delivery stores these are present. Make it internal parts and colored it with your desired results. It can be also used for a single flower bouquet. Use the straw and place it to make outstanding handmade flower patterns. These decor ideas, these can be used for showpiece, papercraft, easy home decor ideas. Wax paper can also be used. Watch step-by-step tutorial and get inspired with the ideas.